Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Sunan and I will be talking about today Facebook ads ecosystem. Okay, so today we'll come to know whatever is present in Facebook ads ecosystem, like the elements which are used in advertising. Okay, so let's get started. So Facebook ecosystem consists of four main elements. That is a Facebook profile, which everyone should have, must. And then you have a Facebook page, you have a Facebook ads account, and a business manager, or also you can call that as business portfolio. So whenever you are having a Facebook profile, make sure that account is old. Okay, it should be old profile because a new profile is has a very high chance of getting restricted. Okay, any activity you do, Facebook sees that as a suspicious activity in new profile. So old profile is, like the preferred one. Okay. Next one is Facebook page. This is also it should be old and it should be connected to Instagram profile. So whenever we are running ads on Meta, so that is also connected with Instagram profile. Okay, so make sure it is old, and if it is not old, if it is a new page, make sure that you warm up the page by adding some post, posting it for 5 to 7 days. Okay, like also we have done it somewhere in 1 2 days. Also, warming is fine, but still to be on the safer side, go for 5 to 7 days continuous posting. Okay, and the next one is it should be connected, yeah, as it should be connected to the Facebook profile. Okay, now ads account are also of like two types. One is personal account and one is through BM. I'm talking about a very basic level, so people who have already some experience might question like what is personal, what's BM. Both are the same things. Basically, personal are the accounts which you see whenever you enter, like sign up for the ads account, like you open a new ad account, you will see an ad account already existing with the Facebook profile's name. Okay, example, this is Sunan. Okay, the account name also will be Sunan. So basically, very simple. So let's say this is Sunan. This is the font size, and this is gonna be so the personal ad account also will be named as Sunan. Okay, the biggest drawback here is there is no pixel integration, and like if without pixel you can't track the data, like who is coming in the website, who is not coming in the website, or taking any actions. So you won't get any data through PM or the business manager. Okay, we have pixels, so we can create pixel and integrate with our website or an apps. Okay, to detect every actions of the visitors. I'll tell you what is pixel also in detail in upcoming videos. Meanwhile, just understand it's like a CCTV of your website, which records every action uh, of your visitors. Okay, who is purchasing, who is just adding to the cart. This is what Pixel does. Who is filling out the form. Okay, and this is very useful. Okay, now business manager or portfolio. So this is like it's like an umbrella, basically umbrella of Facebook page, ad accounts, and pixels, and it also has Instagram profile. So this is all the like an umbrella. This all covers these things. Okay. So that's all about the ecosystem. Now let's get some practical. Firstly, if you want to create, first you have to start with this. Okay, let me tell you one more thing. So this is the ecosystem you understood. So let's see the hierarchy. Okay. Now this is the Facebook profile, and Facebook allows two business portfolios. You can create only mostly two business manager or portfolio. Okay, and under that you can add any pages, and you can request pages from other profiles. That's how it works. And you can create up to 25 ad accounts. Mostly they, in starting, they will allow only one ad account. After some time you can create another. Okay, so this is mostly for new VMs. Okay, and lastly you have this Pixel. Pixel is like the CCTV of your website. So it records, basically it captures all the that a user takes any action in your website, from viewing your page to purchasing anything or filling up a lead form. Anything, any action it takes, it will just capture it. Okay, and that's how we get the data. Okay, yeah. We were going to go to create a business account. All you need to do business. So this is the URL, business.facebook.com. Okay. So I have already one. Okay, I can create another. So we can go and create a business portfolio. Give a name. And so yeah. So this is it, then you can create it. So I don't want to create right now, but that's the process, and you will have a business business account. Now we, to create ads account, we need to go to this ads manager. So all you need to create, all you need to do is go to this link, adsmanager.facebook.com. Okay, so I already have one. Okay, this is the business portfolio. So I'll show you how to. You won't have. So this is called the personal ad account. Okay, the account name here. Let me show you. So as you can see, the name of the account is Red Merchant. So this is the business. This is the personal ad account. You can see it is written personal ad account. So what we need to do, we have created this example. We have created business. All you need to do is click on the settings. After clicking on the settings, the gear icon, click on add accounts. Here, click on add, and you can add an account, request an account, and create an account. Okay, so we'll go for create account, and you can type here question, and any name you can go with. Okay, there's no restriction on that, but make sure you have the proper time zone. I'll go for IS. So I'm living in India, so we will have plus 530. Yeah, this one. And this will change to INR. Okay. There is no option here. GHI. And then click on next. This account will be used for your own. Okay. Next. So all you need to do this. That's it. Don't add this payment info. This is the last step. Okay. Many people do this and they are not able to pay, and Facebook immediately restricts the whole account. Okay. So yeah. exit. Okay. And the next thing you want to do is pixel, and actually you have to go to the data sets, few data sets, and add. And you can add here merchant, create. So yeah, now you have the pixels ready. So for the data sets, we have a pixel. This is the pixel. Now, while you can configure this, so this is the later stage. It's just I'm just doing it like this. So in upcoming videos, I'll tell you how to install pixels, how to integrate with the website. Currently, this is the today it was all about hierarchy and meta ecosystem. So thank you. If you liked my video, please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.